Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to make Google Chrome the default browser on Windows 11. In order to do that, you have to go to the settings and then installed apps. You can just right click here and then click installed apps. Okay, now we're here. Now click it again and then click on the default apps. Here you'll be able to see all the apps that's been installed in your Windows 11. Now search for Chrome. So see, you can see the Chrome here. And then you just have to click this to make Google Chrome your default browser. Set default. So now it's the default browser. However, if you want to change it to other app, like for example Microsoft Edge, you just search Edge and then click set default. But we want to make Google Chrome the default one, so it's been selected. So this is how you make Google Chrome the default browser of your Windows 11 desktop or laptop. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.